Hello everyone, this is Aman and you are watching Aman Official. In today's video we are gonna discuss a simple topic, that is Wix website. It's an online earning app. So if you want to create your own account on Wix website, so you just follow the simple steps that I use now. https://www.wix.com. After this you have an interface that show you that create a website you're proud of, so you just simply click on this get started. So you just need to put your email account and password in this interface. You just simply click on sign up, not on login. So I will click on the sign up, and after clicking on sign up you just simply put here your email account. There is I can put my email account here, and you can repeat your email account again. So here I repeat my email account, and now you can just simply put your password in this. And click on a sign up button. So you see that email is already in your system. So I can use another account because I already log in from this account. So you can see you'll see that I changed my account. The previous account I already logged in from that account, so I just changed my account and enter the password, and now I am clicking on the sign up button. Now on this page we want your Wix experience to be perfect for your needs. Answer a few questions to help us we get to know you better. So let's do it. You can skip this page. I can click on the skip button, and on the next page you have two options for the let Wix ADI create a website for you and create your website with the editor. So you can choose a template or you can start now. So I can click on start now, and now you have a question, so that what type of a site do you want to create. So you can just put the name of the site that you want here to be created. So I can create a fitness account, fitness blog, and now I can click on the next button. And what do you need on your new website? So you maybe later you can just click on the maybe later or subscribe form chats. It will require more answers and questions, so I will click on the maybe later. Now what is the name of your blog? So you can put here the name of your blog, fitness blog, and I can just simply click on the next button. Now you can skip this. Do you want to improve your images and text? It's an option for you that do you want to edit your ID and put some images and text. So I can skip this for now. If you want to edit, so you will click on the next button. Now I have an account, review and edit your info. It's an option that you can review your account, the name, that is fitness blog, and email, and you can review and edit this, and you can put here your phone number, your address, specs, and anything else that you want. So I'll click just simply on the next button. So now here we have a question, what type of a site do you want to create? So I create a fitness blog and click on the next, maybe later, and skip. and now I want to be click on a next and again next. And now we have another question. Pick a theme you like. The color that you like, that is green, black and red, anyone that you want, you just simply click on that color. I just click on a black color and click on the continue button again. Now I just enter my account. So you are asked that pick your favorite home page design. So you can just simply click on anyone that you want. So let's suppose welcome to my site. I click on this, add pages to your site. The pages that you want to add to your site, you just simply click on that page. So I'll skip this option. So here I enter to my Wix website, and now I can edit this further. For more options, we have many options for earning. So this video is just only about that how can you log in or sign up with your Wix account. And now in the next video we will discuss that how can we add something in the Wix and design and manage apps in the Wix. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.